I'm in my 50s and I still have pimples. So here are my great tips on the best treatments. So here are my favorite products. Okay, to begin with, yes, I'm in my close to 50 and I still get spots, okay? Pimples and acne still gets me till this day. So what is my favorite products? So here it is. Number one, it is the Origins Spot Remover. Okay, I've been using this for so many years and it is magical, right? Really, it comes in this little box, okay, but it works wonders. And for me, it doesn't cause skin irritation because I have sensitive skin, and spot control just helps to, dry up and eradicate the pimples, but it does not cause irritation to my skin. Okay, a lot of pimple products, especially like salicylic acids and benzoyl peroxide and all those stuff, does give me like a red itchy spot after I apply it, but this one does not. So this comes highly recommended. It is not too costly, roughly about 50 Singapore dollars. And it works like magic. Okay, even my daughters, they're 23 and they're 20, they still get spots too, and they use that, and I've been using it for close to 20, I think 15 to 20 years. I think so, yeah. Okay, and if you want a spot control that covers up as well, covers up the acne, if it's a little bit reddish or a little bit brownish, I like to use this one by Eucerin. Okay, I've been using this for many years as well, and it's a correct and cover stick pro acne solution. Okay, and what it does is that it's just like a little concealer stick, but it has some properties for for the pimple, to dry it up and stuff, and to heal it. And it just looks like this. It's the perfect shade for me. You can barely see the difference right here from my skin tone. So it's so wonderful. I love this, and I like to use this on top of my skin when I go out, just to hide the little spots. Let's just try it here. So I have some pimples here. Can you see? It's a bit dried up already. Let's try. Okay. And you can see it's barely the concealer. Wonderful. Okay. And I think I have one here as well. Okay, so I have no makeup on. I wanted the Au Naturel Sense makeup look because I want to be real and I want to be authentic, and this is how I am showing you me, the real me, the true me, without any filters or anything. Okay, so the next item is this wonderful antibiotic gel. It's called Medicine Tea. It's antibiotics, so it's called Slindomycin, and it's 1%, and it's a topical gel. Okay, over here in the Middle East, these are non-prescription products that we can just get at the pharmacy, and this comes also in a solution form. Okay, the Medicine Tea is also in a solution form, but I prefer the gel, and I use this for cystic acne. Sometimes I still get some on my chin. We are premenopausal at this age, in our 40s and in our 50s, and we do get occasional cystic acne, and I tend to get it around my chin or my forehead, and this is just wonderful. Okay, it's just like a gel, a topical gel, you can see, and it sticks to the skin, and I like to apply it in the evenings, and that helps to sort of like tone down the acne, but I don't use that on a every day. It's only when I have that cystic acne, and I've been having acne all through my young adult life since I was 20. and it got really, really bad in my 30s when I had adult acne for a good 10 years. So that product, I continue to use it till today, and it's wonderful. And okay, and the next tip is that, okay, leave me a comment down below, ladies, if you've experienced acne, and especially adult acne. Like, I've never heard of it until I got it, and you know, I had to go on Accutane like numerous times, twice, 3 times in the 10 years, antibiotics, but everything just didn't help. It helped temporarily, but after that, when I stopped the medication, it came back again. So there's another, you know, I'll do another video on how I learned that it's not just about what you put on your face, but what you eat that also helps to give you that youthful glow in our 50s, right, and 40s. So another wonderful item that in a product that I love to use is this Coffee Scrub Delight. It's a home business by a very dear friend, and what I do is that for spot control, okay, you can use it as a scrub or a mask, and I use it as a weekly mask to detoxify my skin. And for me, I also use it as a spot control. So what I do is I just dabble a little bit on, okay, just a little bit. And for example, if I have a spot here, I'll just put it on like that and just leave it on for a good few hours in the day or in the evening. And it helps, right? It helps to kind of like suck up all the impurities and help it to calm down that zit. So that is also a very, very good tip. Okay, so there you go. I'm just gonna wipe this off. So there you go. Those are my favorite products for spot control, acne control. So yeah, leave me a comment if you feel like there are better products out there for me to try. I would love to, you know, have some feedback, because, you know, sharing is caring. So do like and subscribe to my channel if you love what I'm sharing on my platform, beauty, fashion, and my passions, which are usually pageantry and also, you know, circular fashion. I love shopping for vintage items. So yeah, so tune in for the next week's video. Many more tips to come. So here's high five to 50s. Night, ladies and gentlemen. Bye.